Hello everybody, welcome to another Teleprompter.com video. This is Sun, your host, and today we're going to be speaking about how you can make a viral video today and what is the simplest viral formula that anyone can do right now. When it comes to creating viral videos, there are two ways. One of them is to do the undone and figure out something new that nobody else has done and create a wave and create a forum. And the other one is to hop onto the wave and then ride with the wave. And the first option will take you a lot of experimentation, a lot of luck, and a lot of time. And the second one is way easier because somebody else has already done it. And guess what? You may even become more viral. First person who posted this. And yeah, this is ridiculous, but it's true. I actually have the proof for you. And the right way to do this is to use the stitch feature on TikTok or the sequence feature on Instagram. Or just like download a reel and just react to it. It's very, very, very simple. And the way it works is that viral reel, obviously the reel has to be viral and it has to have attention. And the best way to do this is to find a very hot reel that's trending right now, people are watching it and it has been viral. And then what you want to do is to either stitch it on TikTok, use sequence on Instagram, or just simply download the reel and then put that reel in the beginning of the video and then respond to it. So what this does is that reel has already been familiarized with people and it's proved itself that it works by gaining millions of views. And what is going to happen when you recreate this reel is that you're going to reach out a new audience because this reel has already worked, so the algorithm will push you to the new audience, because if it works once, it works again. So instead of creating a new path, walk on the path of somebody else who's already done it. And I'm going to show you now what it looks like. So I have this reel that got around 3.4 million views. And it's a very simple 11-second reel. And I wish I knew this earlier. When the leash gets stuck in between your dog's paws, instead of reaching out with your hand, just put your feet on the leash and push it forward. This will also teach your puppy. And this was the piece that got viral. And what other people did was to take this reel and then
oh man, I wish I knew this
respond
earlier.
to it.
When the leash gets
just
stuck in between your dog's
themselves.
paws, instead of reaching out with your hand, just put your feet on the leash and push it forward. This will also teach your puppy to lift their paw next time.
So how many views do you think some of these people got? 4 million? 5 million? 8 million? You're wrong. One of them got 12.3 million views out of just literally taking my reel and responding like a 2-second response to it. Like, oh, that was easy. Okay, cool. They got around, I think, 20,000 subscribers out of just one simple reel that they sequenced. And their channel was actually very new. They basically had, I think, like a few thousand subscribers and they started 2 months ago. And that reel really gave them a boost and it really changed everything for them. So this shows you that it's possible to get, and also there are other ones who got millions of views. This guy also got 2.9 million, another guy got 90,000, the other guy got 264,000. And keep in mind, these people who are getting these views don't usually have a reel that does this well. So for example, this guy who got 264,000, that's the highest, most watched reel he's ever had. Any other video is 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. So this is just like a proof of concept that shows you that it's possible to just take a reel that's performing well in your niche and just do it for yourself, or just respond to it, or just share your opinion on it. And you're gonna find a way better engagement with the people out there than you trying to find a new wave or create a new wave. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to sound as natural in front of the camera, then you can use our app, teleprompter.com. You can find the app in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.